Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use BERT, Bidirectional Encoder Representations from transformers, embeddings and cosine similarity to measure the similarity between two pieces of text. BERT is a powerful pre-trained language model that captures contextual information from the input text. We'll use the transformers library by Hugging Face for BERT embeddings and the scikit-learn library for cosine similarity calculation. In this example, the get_BERT_embeddings function is used to obtain BERT embeddings for each text, and the calculate_cosine_similarity function calculates the cosine similarity between the embeddings. The higher the cosine similarity, the more similar the texts are. Feel free to experiment with different BERT models and texts to see how well the cosine similarity captures the semantic similarity between them. ChatGPT